guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS haul video. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you subscribe, like, comment and share the video, and let's go grab some deals. I would also like to mention that Valentine items are now at 75% off. The first items I picked up today will be the General Mills cereal. They're on sale for $1.99. It's not giving back any extra care box. I'll pick up 3 of the cookie crisps at $1.99 each, and the 3 of them are going to total $5.98. I have a 2 off 6 cereal CRT I got in my email, and we also have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. I actually have 2 of those. Check your app. Both will double dip, and that will take off $4, leaving me to pay $1.97 for all 3 of them, or 66 cents each. I checked out these 3 boxes by itself, and the 2 $1 off 2 double dipped and took off $2, and my 2 off 6 breakfast CRT came off as well. I paid the $1.97 out of pocket for these 3 boxes, and that made it just 66 cents each. My next deal is on Crest toothpaste. They are part of the buy 2 get $3 extra care box back, and they're on sale for $3.99. I'm picking up 2. Both will total $7.98. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a 2 off 6 oral care CRT that will take off $4 and drop it down to $3.98. I'll pay the $3.98 and get $3 extra care box back, making both items just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I'm picking up will be the Maybelline Cosmetics. It's on the deal of buy 2, you get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. I'm going to pick up 2 of the baby lips, priced at $4.99 each. Both are going to total $9.98. We have a $3 digital coupon that will help drop it down to $6.98. I'll pay that and get $5 extra care box back, making both just $1.98 or 99 cents each. But I have a $5 off any cosmetic CRT that will add to this transaction to help make it free. I'm going to check out these 2 deals together and we'll see how everything works out. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see the 4 items I picked up. The $3 digital coupon for the Maybelline came off, and the $5 cosmetic CRT adjusted to $4.99 because this type of CRT only works on 1 item. The 2 of 2 Crest digital coupon came off, and also the 2 of 6 oral care CRT applied. That dropped my subtotal to $1.97, and I got back $3 for buying 2 of the Crest toothpaste and a $5 extra care box back for buying 2 of the Maybelline products. The next deal I have is on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2, you get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up 2 of the Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $5.79. Both are going to total $11.58. I will use this $3 instant CRT we received last week that extended till the 9th. And I also have a $4 CoverGirl digital coupon. With the CRT and this $4 coupon, that will take off $7 and drop it down to $4.58. And I'll get back $5 extra care box, making it free and a 42 cents moneymaker. This was an easy checkout. I only used a $4 extra care box to pay for this, paid 58 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got back my $5 extra care box, making these 2 items free and a 42 cents moneymaker. I received a $6 CRT for CVS vitamins, and I picked up some free vitamins today. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 free. What I did was pick up 1 of the vitamin C, priced at $5.99. And I also picked up a dispenser, also priced at $5.99. And because they are priced at $5.99 and the CRT is $6, it adjusted down to $5.99 and I paid 0 out of pocket. The last deal I did today is the spend 20, you get $10 extra care box back on Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care. And I picked up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Night Press Serum. I'm sorry I wasn't able to film this at the eye because people were there and I didn't want to bother anybody. It's priced at $21.99. We have a $5 digital coupon for this, and I also have a 3 off 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT That will drop it down to $13.99 and I'll get $10 extra care box back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $5. And after the $5 back, this will end up being free and a $1.01 money maker. I checked out this deal by itself and it worked out very well. The $5 digital coupon came off. The 3 off 10 CRT applied as well. I used $8 extra care box and another $6 extra care box to help pay for this. The $6 adjusted because it was supposed to be $13.99, not $14. And I got back $10 extra care box. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for a $5 back. And that ended up making this item free and a $1.01 money maker. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.